Hey everybody, welcome to today's new video. I'm going to be trying something a little different, and I'm going to review a vinyl record now. I just got this in the mail, and I think it'll be pretty cool, so yeah, let's get right into it. So this vinyl is of Wallows remote. I got off Amazon for about $14, and it's pretty cool. It's got the cover art of the original, and on the back you got the track list. I should note that this is not the deluxe version, so it does not come with quarterback and all of those other extra songs. So when opening this up, I'm going to try doing this best I can with one hand. You get a couple things. You get the vinyl itself, and you get a lyric list, which on the back has the prints of band members. I think those are the producers, and everybody else. And then the lyric list. It also comes with a digital download of remote. I've already downloaded this, so I wouldn't go and try to enter that in. But now for the main thing, the vinyl. Now, on the vinyl itself, it's completely pink. And you've got the logo inside with the track list on the bottom right there. And this is a one-sided LP, so on the back they engraved the logo on it. It's gonna be kind of hard to get you guys to see that, but you kind of see it. Now, one of the most noteworthy things to point out, and I'm no pro because this is my first vinyl I've ever bought, but it isn't made of vinyl. It's a plastic material, and it's kind of hard to see again, but on the back you can kind of see a plastic ring right around here. Like, I don't think it's real vinyl, but it's still cool. It still sounds good, and it's nice to have if you're a fan of the release. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe and like. I plan on doing more of these videos. I think tomorrow my vinyl of Hippocampus's Landmark comes in, so I'll probably be doing another review for this, or when that one comes in. So yeah, have a great day.